Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on pet expenses with PetSmart credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. Are you looking to save on pet expenses? Using a PetSmart credit card can help you achieve that goal. Start by visiting the PetSmart website to learn about the credit card options available. Take note of any special offers or incentives for new cardholders. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully to understand the interest rates and fees. Apply for the PetSmart credit card online by provide accurate details about your income, monthly expenses, and employment status. Submit your application and wait for approval, which typically takes just a few minutes. Once approved, activate your card immediately to start using it for purchases. Use your PetSmart credit card to buy pet food, toys, and other supplies at PetSmart locations or online. Make the most of your rewards by choosing to make larger purchases when possible. Keep an eye out for promotional events that offer extra rewards when using your card. Remember to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Consider setting up alerts to remind you of payment deadlines. Take advantage of any cashback or rewards programs that the card offers. Use your rewards points for future purchases, creating a cycle of savings. Keep track of your spending to ensure you stay within your budget. Review your statements regularly to manage your finances effectively. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce your pet-related expenses. Enjoy the benefits that come with using the PetSmart credit card while giving your pets the care they deserve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.